If your septic business gets a bunch of leads one week and nothing the next, you're not alone. And it's costing you jobs. Let's talk about why your lead flow is so up and down and how to fix it. Here's the problem. Most septic businesses rely on word of mouth, occasional Google leads, or just hoping the phone rings. But hope isn't a marketing strategy. The real issue is lack of consistent, targeted online visibility. You don't need to become a marketing expert. You just need a repeatable system that puts your business in front of people every day when they search for septic tank pump out or septic tank replacement near me or drain field repair. Google Ads, when set up correctly, can do exactly that. So can a Google business profile with plenty of good reviews. But Google search ads gives you more control and more consistent leads. When your online presence is dialed in, leads come in steadily. You stop stressing over dry spells. You can plan your crew schedule. You earn more and waste less. Recently, one of my septic clients told me this is the first time he's ever made money with Google Ads. Naturally, our goal is to earn money for our clients, but we also aim to achieve a minimum return on ad spend of 5 to 1. That is, for every dollar spent on Google Ads, they earn 5. If your lead flow is unpredictable and you're ready to fix it, I'd love to help. Sign up for a free phone consultation with me. The link is in the description below.